Using compound angles, we should find some angles. We can find some angles. What are those angles? You see, we know trigonometric ratios values for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, everything. If you take 0 degree, add with anything, will you get anything? No. Only the same value, we have the values for that. 30 degree, 30 plus 45. Yes, we may get 75. 45 minus 30. 15. 60 minus 45. Okay. 45 plus 60. So again 105. 60 plus 30. 90. We have the value already. That is it. So we'll be working out the values of the trigonometric ratios. Simply sin, cos, tan is enough. Other than remaining are reciprocals of this one. So sin, cos, tan we are going to work out. Sin 15 degree. How do we work out? Sin 15 degree. How this can be done? We know sin A plus B formula. Sin A minus B will take better. That is sin A cos B minus cos A. Choose opt value of A and B so that we will get 15 as a result. So A will take as what? 45 and 30. A will take as 45 and B we will take as 30 degrees. So the resultant will get 15 degree. So sin 45 degree minus 30 degree equals sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So here what will come? 45 minus 30 it is sin 15 degree. Okay. Then sin 45 it is 1 by root 2. Cos 30 degree it is root 3 by 2 minus cos 45 it is 1 by root 2. Sin 30 it is 1 by 2. So we will get root 3 by 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So our answer is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 is the value of sin 15 degree. So root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. The sin 15 is directly equal to some other angle. What was it? The complement of this 15 degree can also be written as 90 degree minus 75. Is it or not? Sin 15 degree can also be written as sin 90 degree minus 75 degree. See man, 90 minus 75 how much? 15. So instead of 15 I wrote 90 minus 75. Now apply the 90 minus theta formula. What is our value? Cos 75 degree. So the same value applies for cos 75 degree as well. Do you remember? We wrote tan 45 plus theta is equal to cot 45 minus theta. Same. Okay. Complementary angle concept. So for cos 75 degree also root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Clear? Now sin 75, how that can be calculated? No. Using this I am asking. 45 plus 30. So instead of this subtraction, what will come? Everywhere addition will come. What is our answer then? Again you are telling root 3 minus 1. Instead of minus, what will come? I said. Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Then sin 75 degree is equal to, what is complement of 75? Cos 15. So that is also root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. This is the values of sin and cos. Okay. Now what would be the value of tan 15 degree? Instead of using that, we may use sin by cos. Sin 15 by or else we may go with that formula, tan A minus B formula, 30 minus 45. Both will give you the same answer. Okay. So sin 15 is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Cos 15 is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 part will get cancelled. We have root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. But we should not say with the answer with the rationalized or irrational denominators. We should rationalize the denominator. To rationalize it, we will multiply root 3 minus 1 in both numerator and denominator. Then we will get root 3 minus 1 whole square divided by root 3 square minus 1 square. That is, root 3 minus 1 whole square is what? Root 3 square, that is 3 minus 2 root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 square, that is 3 minus 1. So 3 plus 1, that is 4 minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. Our answer is 2 minus root 3. So what is tan 15 degree? 2 minus root 3, and the same is equal to, what is complement of 15 degree? Cot 75 degree. I asked about complement of 15. Your answer is supposed to be 75, not cot. Complement of 15 degree is how much I asked? 75. So cot 75, it is equal. Okay. Now guess what? Tan 75 degree, how much it will be? Yes, cot 15 will be equal to, man, this value I am asking. The same will come, but as reciprocal. When you reciprocal it, here root 3 plus 1 you will write. So instead of this minus, we will get plus. So 2 plus root 3. So we have discovered a new value of these trigonometric ratios using compound angles. That is why we have to study compound angles. Okay. Write everything down. At last we will make one table. Here I will make table. Tan and cot 15 degree, 75 degree. This is 2 minus root 3 and this one is 2 plus root 3. Here 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3. That is the value of tan and cot. Got, man? We are having. So what? You write everything. Make it fast.